Alright, we are going to talk about layer models today. We have two main ones, TCP/IP and OSI. TCP/IP deals directly with the TCP/IP, TCP/IP, these protocols, and their combination, how they work together. OSI deals with basically general concept of how internet works overall, not just these two. Although these two protocols, or these three protocols, are a main core. Physical, the actual connections, copper, fiber, Wi-Fi. Data link, MAC addresses, layer 2 switches, what data is being sent, not just that there's a signal, but there's actual specific protocols. For example, back here is, network, layer 3. This is IP addressing. This is routers. This is the backbone of the internet. Along with the transport protocol, these two work together extensively. TCP is right on here, IP is in here. These two are very, very combined. We're not going to deal with 5, 6, and 7 because they generally don't involve the networking aspect of it. The application is for like your web browsers or your file transfer stuff. So, TCP/IP version, very similar. Internet, IP, transport, TCP. These are the core. This is layer 1 and 2. Combined, and these are the top three. We're really not going to talk about these too much. See, they line up pretty well. They're not exactly overlapping, but they're pretty close. They share general concepts, and you'll see how our stuff works together, general concepts. Do these activities. This will help. Alright, segmentation. You don't get one giant picture. You don't send a picture as one message. You send the picture as several messages. Same as your emails. The reason we do this is because huge ones will build stuff up. It's like, you know, the road. You have set vehicles have to be a set size, so they fit the lanes. Same with these. In this case, multiplexing allows you to switch data between them. Because if you're at home and you have Wi-Fi, everybody's got their Wi-Fi going. They're all trying to pull data from the same copper cabling. As to size, switch back and forth for this to work. For example, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, so on and so forth. Makes sense, right? Now, protocol data units, also known as PDUs, see PD right there. Bits, frame, this is layer 2. This is layer 1, layer 2, layer 3, layer 4, just everything else. Your data is wrapped up in each of these layers as you go along. You're talking about layer 2, you're talking about switches and MACs. You're talking about 3, you're talking about IP addresses and routers. Typically. Encapsulation. You take your data, your web browser picture. You slap the layer 2 4 protocol, TCP, then you slap layer 3 protocol, IP, and then you'll slap the other stuff on here. And then you send it down the line. It's like your envelope. You have the address on the outside. The mailman does not need to see the data, see the letter itself. He just needs to know how to get there. That's the way to waste time reading this stuff. Encapsulation, same way. You receive it in and you take it off as you go, so you get the data and you slow up your web page. There you go. Give this a shot. Give it a try. Useful. And addresses. These are synchronized together. Each device has an IP address. Each router has an IP address. So layer 3 will be changed over and over again. So it'll say, route this, the ultimate destination is such and such. Route this to so-and-so. Then once it gets there, they'll say, oh, well, this is not the ultimate destination, so let's route this to the next nearest spot. Then the next nearest spot, then the next nearest spot. Eventually you get there. This will be at layer 1 and layer 2, the MACs and the IP addresses, depending on how they're going through. Routers, IP addresses, and MACs, and so on and so forth. I'll get more into this, more detailed into this, but just know that these can change as you go, but the destination, ultimate destination, will not be different. See, ultimate destination, source the same, but the MAC addresses will change as you go. IPs typically should not. Install this. Do this one. Install this one. We'll use this a little bit to look at stuff as we go. I hope it. Go ahead and give this a shot. You don't have to do this, but give it a try once you get it installed. There you go. That's the rest of the chapter.